Guys, let me show you something, okay? I just took off my waist trainer and my stocking tights, whatever you want to call it. Guys, if you don't own one, let me show you. Guys, if you don't own one of these, run, go grab one right now. Listen, I love a dress, but you know when the time get cold and you want to wear like a nice dress, but like if where your legs are gonna be cold, put one of these under your dress. This is it looks like a stocking, but it's really like a leg. So inside it has this type of material. I don't know, I got it off for Shein, and guys, it doesn't have that, what you call that, fleece material in the toe section, but from here go straight up, it has that. It's not like don't expect it to keep you come like you're never gonna be cold, but it's just better than going without anything on your feet, you know, to keep you warm. So guys, guess what, I'm back in the house. Oh my gosh, am I tearing this stocking? Jesus, this stocking is, ooh. Anyways, guys, I got a package from YouTube. A special thanks to YouTube Partners Program, the High Five partner, for sending me a little package in appreciation of my hard work. YouTube, thank you. Alright guys, so it comes with this, and this says, "Sweet victory, partner. You've managed to get your hands on some very special YouTube M&Ms and a keepsake tin to store all your next big ideas. A special thanks to you from your friends at YouTube for all your hard work as a YouTube partner. We'd love to see you enjoy your treat." And this is the package that they sent, guys. So the YouTube sent me their limited edition M&Ms. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Guys, I love the content. Like, I'm gonna store this content. Like, I'm gonna keep this. This is so cute. So let me see, y'all can, oh, I'm not sure. Alright guys, so I'm gonna save this for when Neffy comes, so Neffy and I can enjoy our little treat from YouTube. And guys, a special thanks to all of my subscribers and the people who are watching and you're not subscribed. What are you doing? Come on, hit that subscribe button, make it official. We are currently at what, 18.2k subscribers, and I'd love to see us reach 18.5 before the year ends. So let's see, guys, let's see. Come on, click the link down below, subscribe to your girl's channel, because your girl's putting in the hard work, okay? I'm showing up for you guys. I want y'all to show for me too with those subscribe numbers, all right? So yeah, guys, I love the tin. I'm not throwing the tin away because this is perfect to keep stuff in. So yeah, so it will be my cute little keepsake right here, and it will also be a reminder for me to keep on pushing at my goals, you know? Go to church, so see y'all in a bit. If he trusts is a living with you, or will he trust you? How much more will he? Alright guys, I know you're wondering, you're like, Jordan, this doesn't look like church. No, it does not. By the time I finished having breakfast, the time had already gone, and I was like, oop, nope, I don't want to be going to church late. So what I'm gonna do is, oh shoot, I need to make the reservation. Come on, Jordan. Alright guys, so I'm making the reservation for something for me and Monique to do. I just forgot that I have to pay online. Oh my gosh. Alright, so the first thing I need, I think, what is this? This is the green zucchini noodles. Alright, so I'm gonna try that. Ugh, those look moldy. Those don't look good. Does this look good? Where's lettuce? So I need a trifle, and I need a fruit. Alright, so there is, oh, what is this again? I think it's a Cinco Bible. No, what is this? I think this is just think about it. I can't believe that's here. I wanted, oh, there's dragon fruit, and then which one is this? I don't know what fruit that is. I wanted plantain, but these plantain don't look good. These look so... Ugh. Okay. I actually need these for Nevi, and these are on sale, 2 for $5, so I'll get the apple. And this is which one? Fruit punch? Yeah. Because these were originally, what was the original price for these? These were originally $3.79, so I got 2, I got 1. My list here that I have working with, and I just remove the items once I find them. 4-piece nuggets.
Any sauce?
No.
Anything else?
No, that would be it.
10:15 at your second window.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I stopped at Wendy's to get something to eat before I head to church. She did say first window or second window? I think she said second window. I think that's what she said. Okay. I couldn't recall if it was first or second window. Listen, guess how much this grocery trip came up to? Let me show y'all. Alright, y'all see, let me see how many bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bags of grocery, guys. Guess and tell me how much it came up to. $67 is what my grocery trip came up to, and the cart was full. Well, fullish. Guys, do not sleep on your Food Lion rewards. Use the app, use the coupons, look when things are on sale, and plan your grocery trip accordingly. So that's what I did. I got some stuff that were not on my list, but just because they were on sale, I grabbed them. Like the fruit juice for Nevi, those were normally like $4, and they were on sale for buy 2 get for whatever. So I picked those up. And a few other items, because I always check before I go grocery shopping. I'll check the how would I do it? Okay, so when I'm going grocery shopping for the week, I'll plan my meals for the week first. Then I will do my grocery list. Then I will go on the Food Lion app. I will scroll, see what deals are on sale. Sometimes I do it in the reverse, check what's on sale first, then plan my meals according to that. But it depends. If I'm feeling for something, I will do it the other way around. So I clicked my coupons. I didn't think I used any coupons this time, but every time you shop, you get rewards, and I always tend to use them every month because I do grocery shopping every weekend or every 2 weeks, because I don't like buying a big bulk and then like not using the stuff and they spoil and da. So it works for me. When I saw the $67, I was like, this is the best grocery trip I've ever done, because when I saw those deals at the bottom of it, it was like, I think I saved like $10, and with my additional coupons, it brought just left church. Church was amazing. The message from today's sermon was basically, prayer is the answer for all your breakthroughs, and I was like, oof, I needed that. Yes, I'll have half black beans and half pinto. I'll have the smoked brisket. Can I have corn, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce? Yeah, that's it. So I'm about to start cutting up my veggies, and I'm watching some Love is Blind, the newest episodes. I have 2 episodes to catch up on, and yeah, I'm enjoying it. So we are coming on with doing all our meal preps and getting the house ready for baby girl. I have the apples washed. I had it soaking in that thingy, and they're just drying.
birthday, I do recommend nice ATL because I show for you. They do celebrate a lot of birthdays there.
These are going in the freezer to freeze. I got my green beans, my zucchini, and my cabbage.